Model 2019 Citroen Relay Boxer L3H2 2.0 BlueHDi Enterprise Body, white, panel van mileage, 116581 MOT, the 26th of May 2024 engine, 1997 CCDW10 FUDA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary. Engine has been striped, all parts are in the back of the van. The isue is that 2 injectors need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after van. Features: parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows, aircon, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.